Isaiah and Nikia.
And this says Isaiah, and this says Nikia. Those were two of the soldiers that lived here back when it was in the olden days.
There's no white, Daddy. No white and on it.
They're not used to. When it was the olden days, they did it. And when the soldiers died, the words were left like the word is left like that and that and that. That's how it is right now. Even when the kids. And see how it's like dirty on the floor? They dipped their own holes to build their beds in the house. And about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 soldiers used to live in here back in the olden days. And we do not live here. The beds are plain wood. I guess the soldiers are used to it. Well, or not. Daddy, what do you think that stuff is up there?
Some old fluffy stuff. Maybe they're old padding.
Why? That's on the stick.
I don't know.
Why the soldier? Daddy, why there's no like swords or stuff in here?
They probably took it with them.
Why? But I thought the soldiers died. Why do it like this? Why?
I don't know all the answers. Your little brother's getting a little more brave, walking in.
We
No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Yeah.
had it.
No, Daddy.
Building our own house and standing on a nature floor and building our own beds. And the only thing that you could do wrong on was the things that you already had in your house. And all the kids could do when they were little, they would crawl around on the door floor probably, and they would and the kids probably picked flowers all day, let the grass explode, made little figures, pickly some trees, rose flowers, help the mom and dad get food ready. And this house is obviously made of ground. And this house is obviously made of sticks